we have to find the area bounded by the curve x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1, and both are equations of circle. Now let x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 be equation 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1 be equation 2. Now x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 center lies at 1 comma 0 and radius is equal to 1. X square plus y square is equal to 1. Center lies at 0 comma 0 at the origin and radius is equal to 1. So coordinates of center of two circles are D 1 comma 0 and 0 O 0 comma 0, O 0 comma 0. Solving equation 1 and equation 2, x square minus 2x plus y square is equal to 1, x square minus 2x, I am sorry, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now both side x square plus y square is equal to 1. So what we are having, minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now y is equal to, x is 1 by 2, y square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 4, and y is equal to root plus minus root 3 by 2. Now point of intersection, B 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 and C 1 by 2 comma negative of cube root of 3 upon 2. So now we are having a figure with equation 1 as coordinates of the center 1 comma 0, equation 2 coordinates of the center as origin 0 comma 0. Now point of intersections half comma root 3 by 2, that is here, and half comma negative of root 3 by 2, that is here. And now we have to find the area bounded by the curves. It means we have to find the area of this shaded part. Okay. So now required area is equal to area of the region. Now we can write it O, C, A, B and O. Okay. So we are having O, C, A, B and O. O, C, A, B and O. And this can be written as twice of area of, now we can write it area of ODB, area of ODB plus area of DAB. DAB. Is it clear? Now this becomes twice of now 0 to half y of, now this is what circle for equation 1, y of equation 1 dx plus 1 by 2 to 1, here it is 1, from half to 1, okay. So 1 by 2 to 1 y of equation of circle 2 with dx, okay. So now required area is equal to twice of y of equation 1. Y of equation 1 is this one. So we are having integration of 0 to 1 by 2 square root for 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx plus 1 by 2 to 1 minus x square dx. So we are having these two equations, okay. Now let us consider this as I1 and this as I2, okay. So now using the formula, which formula we have used, we are going to use, sorry, it is integration of square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x upon 2 a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a plus c. So we are going to use this formula. Now let's solve I1. I1 is equal to 0 to 1 by 2 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Now let x minus 1 is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, dx is equal to dt, and changing the limits now. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1, when x is equal to 1 by 2, t is equal to minus 1 by 2, okay. So now I1, now I1 is equal to, sorry, it is minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 1 minus t square dt. Now this implies t upon 2 square root of 1 minus t square plus 1 upon 2 sin inverse t with minus 1 to minus 1 by 2, okay. So now what this is? Now this we are getting as minus 1 by 4 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1. Now this is equal to negative of 4 minus 1 is 3 minus root 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 6. Sine, we can write it sine minus 1 by 2. This can be written as sine, negative of sine inverse sine pi by 6. This cancels, it becomes pi by 6. Okay. So we are having this one as negative 4 pi by 6 minus, now this is 0 plus, again here it can be 0 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 2. And now this becomes negative of root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12 plus pi by 4. I2, I2 is equal to 1 by 2 with 1 minus x square dx. Now this implies I2 is equal to x by 2 under the root 1 minus x square plus a square, that is 1 by 2 sine inverse x with half and 1. Now this is equal to 1 upon 2 into 0 plus 1 upon 2 sine inverse 1 minus 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 sine inverse 1 upon 2. Now this is equal to 0 plus pi by 4 half into sine 1. Okay, I will write like this, half into pi by 2 minus root 3 by 8 plus half into pi by 6. Now this implies I2 as pi by 4 minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12. Now required area is equal to twice of I1 plus I2, twice of I1 plus I2. Now this is equal to twice of I1. I1 was minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12 plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12. So on solving, minus root 3 by 8 minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12 minus pi by 12 and pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So what we are having? We are having twice of root 3 by 4 negative of root 3 by 4 plus pi by 3. And this is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 units answer.